Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm going to be vlogging, taking you along me decorating for Christmas. It is currently December 2nd, and so I really want to put up some Christmas decor. I was going back and forth on whether I was going to decorate this year because we actually are moving shortly after the new year, but I decided might as well put it up because you know what, I need a little bit of holiday cheer. So we're gonna put up Christmas decor, and to be honest, we're not like, I don't know, we're moving shortly after the first of the year, but Caleb and I have moved so many times that like we always wait till like the week before or a couple weeks before. So it's a very busy December. We have a lot going on. Caleb's getting his wisdom teeth taken out. We are probably going back to Michigan just to see family. Obviously, with stuff going on, who knows if that'll happen, but you know, we're fingers crossed. Gonna do that still. So there's a lot going on. Like I said, we're moving after the new year. Not far or anything. We're not moving states this time, just moving close by here. So anyway, I just wanted to, you know, share my Christmas decor. I didn't get anything new this year, so if you watched like Vlogmas, I think I did Vlogmas last year, or at least vlogged a little bit last year, you'll know all my Christmas decor. But I figured why not share it for new people, and I want to vlog some more as well because I've gotten away from it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I am currently freezing right now. It is, I don't know, probably 55 outside, but like yesterday was 45 as a high, which down here in South Carolina, like this time of year isn't really normal. Like definitely in January, February, we can get that low, but you know, not usually the case. So very cold right now. But I need to like put, like I got some of my Christmas stuff down, but it's in the office right now. So I'll probably wait on that stuff and grab some stuff out of this closet here. Because Caleb's actually on a call right now. But look at little Looney girl. Looney. She's like, don't bother me. Come on. So I only had a few like fall decorations, a couple pumpkins and stuff like that. So not too much to put away, but I am going to take our recycling right now because we have a bunch of like beer cans and cardboard and stuff like that. So get ready for decorating. So let's do it. All right, I'm back from taking recycling. Now it is time to get things out of here. Hold on. Let's see. This is the closet that it's in, and it's gonna be a workout to get stuff out. So this is the closet that's jam-packed of things, and we need to get out this one. See the Christmas stuff, and I think the bottom one I see stockings, and then I have other ones in the other room. So I basically have to take this whole thing apart to get these out. That's why I've been dreading this, but I also really want the decor. So here we go. Right, I did it. So here's all the stuff that was in that closet. So I think my plan is to take this stuff out of here and then fill it like right away and fill it with, you know, some other decor pieces here, and then put it all back in the closet before I actually start decorating so I can get all this stuff out of the way. I also found wrapping paper, so hopefully I don't have to buy anything else. They're so pretty. Stocking. Okay, I had to get some fuel. So Diet Coke, water, my AirPods, because I'm gonna listen to Christmas music, I think, but I can't have it playing out loud because copyright on YouTube. So this is what I've been listening to lately, the last few days. If you use Apple Music, which I feel like not that many people do, but I do. This is called Holiday Hits. Let's see if it'll focus. this is what I've been listening to. It's just an Apple Music playlist. So I got these from Target last year, and I believe they have very similar versions this year, or at least they did. Look how freaking cute these are. More stockings. I have one for me, Caleb, and Lunabug, so 3. I also really like these trees because you can put them up after Christmas or leave them up after Christmas. I just think they're really pretty. I also did not vacuum before this because I knew it was gonna be a mess with all the glitter and the flocking. Table runner, little Christmas countdown. I don't know what some of this stuff is. What is this? Oh, I think I got these last year. My mom gave them to me. Look at, so cute. Definitely putting that up. Oh, I forgot about this. I think Caleb's mom gave this to us. Hold on, once it's done. It's a Christmas, it's like a snow globe of us. Oh, come on, why did I shake it beforehand? This is us, like graduation pictures from Michigan State. How cute. So I love snow globes. Put that up. Oh, these ones were from Walmart last year as well. Very similar, like style, just a little different. These ones, to be honest, look a little bit more fake than the other ones do. These little houses that I spray painted from Walmart. Look how cute. I also have flocking that I used on our tree. I gotta pause this music. I can't concentrate. Okay, so this flocking, this snow, I use on our tree. I'll show you if I need to redo it. I think I probably will. Pumpkins, goodbye. Oh, my little address labels. Most of this is just ornaments. Ribbon for the tree. Okay, this is gonna be a mess. I already know it. Okay, I also got this garland last year that is so pretty from Walmart. Ah! Oh, I forgot about this. Look at this. How cute. I don't know if it's focusing, but look at how cute this little Luna ornament is. So this is the stuff out of that closet. I also have more in the office right now with our tree and maybe a wreath or two and I don't know, maybe a couple other things, but this is the majority of the stuff. Okay, I put a couple things up around like the stockings and these little trees and a couple things on, like on the dining table, the runner. But I think it's time to do the tree. And then I usually put garland, or last year I put garland up above, like around this mirror, and that was really pretty, so I'll probably do that again. And there's like a few other things to do throughout the space, and then we're pretty much done. I don't have like a ton of stuff because again, we're in an apartment and the space is obviously limited, storage wise and everything. Of course I can't have like a ton of Christmas decor. Sad, but one day I will. All right, one more thing I wanted to share is that I love putting on Netflix the fireplace thing. Fireplace for your home. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this. If you don't have a fireplace, it is seriously so cozy. Look at this. I don't like the beginning part because it's almost like a movie, but it's a fireplace thing. Hold on. And I turn it way down. And you can hear it crackle. Oh, it's so cozy. Isn't that so cozy? I love it. So our tree, I think I got this from Michael's. They always do like a tree event every year. I'm sure it's done now because I think I got it early. And this is a pre-lit Let's see what size it is. 4-foot tree, and it works great for an apartment. So if you're in the lookout, this is the tree we have, and I just keep it in the box and I just duct tape it.
Blasting some music, huh?
It's honestly not that loud, I don't think, but
I came out here and said ha ha ha, and you didn't even look.
I was just in the zone, I guess.
Looking nice and Christmassy.
Yeah. All right, I am all done with the main part of the apartment and I love it. I'm so happy I decided to decorate. I got my little Santa, oops, I forgot to put this, countdown to Christmas, and the trees that are my absolute favorite. I'm so glad I got these last year. They were so affordable too. The stockings. I moved the basket and the pillows there because I always put the tree in this little corner here. And I got my little bows up on the doors. These little houses that, again, I spray painted from Walmart. And the beautiful Walmart garland, again, super affordable. And the rest of the apartment's kind of messy, but I love it. It feels so nice. This is like my absolute favorite view. Look at that. So all of my Christmas decor is like so affordable. The trees, those little trees from Target were like between $5 or $10 a piece, I believe. The stockings were really affordable. I got those from Christmas tree shops. Stocking holders from Walmart. A lot of the stuff from Walmart, like I think a lot of the ornaments, and I always use just a scarf since our tree is so little. I use a scarf as a tree skirt. And I think, where else did I get that? At Home has really good ribbon. This garland from Walmart is very affordable. Those little houses were like $2 or something. I believe I have hauls from previous years on my channel if you are curious about like where everything is from, that I'll try and leave linked down below. So this is the main area. I am gonna put up a couple things in our bedroom, like a couple little trees, and then maybe a wreath that I have as well. So I'll show you that, but this is like the main area that I decorate. I don't really decorate a ton of the other rooms. Oh, and then also I have this little area on our dining table. So ignore the bottles. Those are so Caleb can brew beer, but a couple of houses, a tree, and then this runner, which is so cute. Look at this. I believe this was from Walmart last year as well. All right, so this is all I'm doing in our room. Very simple, but I feel like it makes a big impact. So I put 2 of the little trees. These ones are from Walmart, and then a Walmart wreath with the same ribbon from our tree on top. To hang it, I just used a nail up there, a pretty heavy duty one to hold it. And that's all I'm doing, but I love having these little trees to decorate with. I just think they're so stinking cute. All right, you guys, that is gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I am so glad I ended up decorating for Christmas. It is so nice and cozy in here, and I just feel like I have the holiday spirit now. So very, very excited for Christmas and everything, even if it looks different this year. So I hope you guys have a good start to your December, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.